Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. I hope you're feeling gentle and calm.
And I'm Sam. Today we're talking about something simple but surprisingly emotional, visiting the salon. It's a normal day activity that still makes your heart feel a little nervous.
Whether it's a haircut, a trim, or a makeover, salon visits always bring mixed feelings.
Yes, excitement, nervousness, hope, and a little fear, all packed into one appointment.
It's funny how changing a few inches of hair can feel like a big life decision. Listener, when was the last time you went to a salon?
Maybe it was last month, or maybe it's been years. Some people avoid salons because they're afraid of getting a haircut they don't like.
That fear is very real. I remember my last salon visit so clearly. I sat outside for 5 minutes because I was scared to go in, but I still walked in because my hair desperately needed help.
That's bravery, doing something while your heart is shaking. When I enter a salon, the first thing I notice is the smell of shampoo and warm dryers. It feels both comforting and intimidating.
Yes, and everyone inside looks so calm while I'm secretly panicking.
It's like entering another world.
Listener, maybe you've also felt that moment. You sit in the chair, the cape goes around your neck, and suddenly your life feels serious.
And then the stylist asks, "So, what do you want today?" That question feels like an exam.
And you answer with a confused smile. Sometimes I show a picture from my phone.
Yes, and I always say, "Just a little shorter, but not too short." Nervous laugh.
Every salon has heard that sentence 1,000 times. Then comes the moment when the stylist touches your hair.
And you think, "Please be gentle, please understand me."
It's a moment of trust. Listener, maybe you know this too. Once the scissors start cutting, your heart beats a little faster.
You hear the crisp sound of hair falling. It feels like losing tiny pieces of your past.
Hair holds memories.
I once asked for a trim and ended up with a completely different hairstyle.
Oh no, what happened?
I didn't speak up. I just sat there quietly while they cut everything. Embarrassed laugh.
I had a moment like that too. One time I wanted curtain bangs, but the result looked like a disaster. I went home and tied my hair up for 2 weeks.
Salon regrets hit very hard.
Listener, here are some helpful salon sentences.
Just a small trim, please.
Can you cut it a little shorter on the sides?
I want layers.
Please don't make it too short. Getting hair washed at the salon feels heavenly.
Yes, the warm water, the soft shampoo smell, the gentle massage. It feels like your brain melts.
It's the best part of the entire visit. But then the stylist asks, "Is the water okay?"
And we automatically say, "Yes, perfect," even if it's boiling hot or freezing cold. Laughs.
We're all too polite. Sitting in front of the mirror is emotional.
Yes, you see yourself from angles you never usually look at. Suddenly, you think about your life choices.
Salon mirrors are brutally honest. Listener, maybe you've had this thought too. Do I really look like this?
And then you try to sit straighter and pretend you're confident.
But inside, you're thinking, please let this haircut suit me. The blow-drying part is like watching a magic show.
Yes, your hair suddenly looks like you're in a magazine.
And you know deep inside that it will never look like that again at home. I always smile at the final reveal, even if I'm unsure.
Same. I say, "Wow, it's nice," even if I'm not convinced.
But later, at home, I either love it or cry quietly. Listener, it's okay to feel unsure after a new haircut.
Hair grows back. Change takes time to feel comfortable.
And sometimes the haircut looks better the next morning. I once told the stylist just a little trim, and after cutting, she said, "You needed big change."
That sentence is terrifying.
And then I realized she cut 7 centimeters. Shocked laugh.
I once cut my hair too short and kept touching it every 5 minutes.
That's the universal reaction. Touching, checking, doubting.
And sending pictures to friends asking, "Does this look okay?"
Listener, maybe you've experienced that panic too. But remember, you're still you. A haircut doesn't change your beauty. It just changes the shape of your confidence for a moment. I love how a good haircut makes me feel lighter.
Yes, like a small weight has been lifted from the head and heart.
It feels like a mini fresh start.
Sometimes a haircut marks a new chapter.
Yes, people cut hair after breakups, new jobs, or emotional changes. Hair becomes a symbol of growth.
Listener, imagine walking out of the salon.
The air feels different. Your steps feel new. You feel fresh and soft.
Even if the cut isn't perfect, the feeling is.
Taking care of your hair is a form of self-love.
A quiet way of telling yourself, "I deserve care."
And that message is important.
Thank you for joining us in this cozy conversation today.
We hope your next salon visit feels calm, gentle, and full of confidence.
And remember, your beauty doesn't depend on hair. You're beautiful in every season.
Both. See you in the next episode.